Hello my lovelies. We're all natural light today. I've just packed up a bunch of stuff over there which is in front of the windows, and I've got the curtains half open and then there's a little bit of sunlight. The sunlight's an exciting thing because it's been raining here like stupid amounts, and yeah, we desperately need some sunshine before the market's on Sunday, so the ground isn't too wet. Okay, so today I am making something. I'm not sure what I'm making. I'm still a little off chops, I think. I had sinus last night. No, this morning when I woke up at 3 o'clock. Woke me up. So I had to take some tablets. So yeah, so you don't mind me, I might still be a little, you know. I'm making Vanilla Musk and Cedar. And the last soap I made had the gold in it. So this time I'm going to do silver in purple. Now this has got some kaolin clay in it because I figured it didn't matter if it was an off-white because I'm going to do this real dark illustrious purple anyway. So that's not quite ready. I don't know what I'm doing, seriously. It's like my brain slows down and it just takes me longer to figure things out. So you're going to have to bear with me. Alright, so yes, so the purple I'm going to use illustrious for the silver, which I've got mixed up in here. I used a rather large amount of Silver Lake, and I've put sterling and blizzard glitter in with it, so it should be sparkly as well. So I'm going to put this in now because you know me, I live on the edge, as I like to say. I come over here for a reason. See, I don't even know why I walked over there. Oh, mould. That's what I did. A mould, see? It's just, it's like, it's, I don't know. This is what normal people's brains are like. I don't want a normal brain. Blah, 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 blah. Because, you know, speech doesn't work real well either. It's just all over the shop. I don't even know why I'm soaping. I'm going to the movies in less than an hour. So, this is not actually bad, considering it's Vanilla Musk and Cedar, which is, I suppose I like vanilla. And I like musk, but not musk perfuming. I don't know. See, I'm just off chops. It's quite nice anyway. It's not overly strong, which is good. And yeah, it's not sickly, so it's one I would possibly consider making again. Now I need to put a little bit of batter in there because I want this to actually stay silver. So we will see what happens. It certainly looks silver. Now this is going to have the illustrious in it, which I forgot to mix up because, you know, off chops. Whoop! Oh my god, I'm so... Seriously, I took my sinus tablets, which is just pseudoephedrine, which is what does it to me, I think. I took that at 5 o'clock this morning and it's now 3:15 in the afternoon. And this is what I'm like. Can you imagine what I was like at 6 o'clock this morning? Sitting, staring off into space like someone who's on heroin. Which, I mean, it probably sounds great for, you know, regular people, but I don't like, I have so little control of my brain anyway from the bipolar that anything that puts me in even less control I don't like. It's why I don't do any drugs and I don't drink alcohol, because I don't like that loss of control. And I also don't like being stupid. And when I use this stuff, that's how it makes me feel. It makes me feel like I'm out of control and stupid. And I don't like... Oh, and I just kicked the cat! And there's no bloody things left. One in there. Well, don't get under my feet then. I won't tread on you. Hey! I don't know where they all are. No idea, but I've got 2 there, so we'll have to fill this mould right the way up. This is thickening reasonably fast, not stupid fast though, so it's not too bad. It's a nice colour. I'm just wondering if I should add more. No, no, leave it alone. The purple it'll morph back. It actually will. I'm gonna do a half-half with this one because it's so much thicker. Yeah, I want to get some of the silver in the bottom of the soap if I can. Ooh, it's hot. I'll tell you that. Whoop. Alright. Yeah, that looks alright. How do I manage that? God. I don't know. Oh, yeah. Ants again. Ants everywhere. Ants don't like it outside because it's too bloody wet. See, not even talking. It's taken all my concentration just to pour soap. Oh, my poor brain. I feel so sorry for it. It's just always in the wars. Ugh. Used to get migraines really bad years ago. Like really, really bad. I'm so glad I don't get them anymore. Don't even know why they stopped. They just stopped. I didn't get them anymore, and it was like such a godsend. Migraines are horrible things. So I used to get really sensitive to light and sound. So I would have to pretty much just lock myself away in my bedroom and stick my head under the pillow. And I'm claustrophobic, so that was not fun. But yeah, I used to have to do that when so I raised all my kids myself. So you know, if I had a migraine hit, there was just nothing I could do. They had to just fend for themselves until it went away. Until, you know, some form of medication kicked in, which for me, I mean, if you guys have watched my other videos, you'll know I don't like taking medication of any kind unless I absolutely have to. So, you know, I never took... The only other thing I ever took for my migraines was Panadol. Oh, and Mercendols, or Mistindols, however you like to pronounce it, when they got really bad. And the day strength ones never seemed to work, so I had to take the full ones. It's the same with the day strength Sudafeds, they don't do anything either. Yeah, so they would knock me out. But I wouldn't take those when the kids were awake. So, yeah. But, yeah, don't suffer from migraines anymore, for which I am eternally grateful to the migraine gods. This silver is fairly dark. I'm wondering now, now that it's too late to do anything about it, I'm wondering if it's going to actually look any different at all. I might, oops, put that on there. And then a little bit left. Put that on there. Give them a little swirls. Yeah, tiny swirls. Now what do I do with this? It's thick, thick, but it's not like crazy thick like me at the moment. I'm half dressed. I've got my pants on. I've still got my jammy shirt on, and I thought, well, I'll stop talking in the middle of a sentence because I can't talk and do things at the same time when I'm stoned. See? Cannot. Just cannot. I don't know. That's kind of cool. You reckon? I don't know. If I do it again on this side, I'm going to stuff it up, aren't I? And then I'm going to do it anyway. It's like, yeah, because I'm a dickhead. Oh dear. Yep, I'm a dickhead. But that's okay. My soap, I'll do what I want. Well, the one thing I can say about this is it's massively sparkly. I don't even know if you guys, you probably don't think you can see it, but it's just full on sparkles in there. The sun's gone away, that's what it is. No, stop. I'm just going to leave that like that. That'll look nice for Instagram pictures. So a bit of spawn. Do you love some wet soap porn? I'm sorry guys, I know I'm out of it. But I had the need to make soap. And when the need hits you, you just have to. I also want to use up the last of my oils and lye because I've only got, well, I did have 2 master batches left. I've got 1 now, so probably should get a new one. No, not master batch, paper towel. Oh, I'm going to stop now because, yeah, I'm off too far off chops to be doing anything, so I will see you guys tonight at about 10 o'clock for the cutting. The movie didn't start till 7, so we'll be back before 10, I don't think. Alright guys, sorry I was such a weirdo for this one, as opposed to when I'm normal. Bye! Hello, I am back to cut this. I snuck some little white love hearts on when you weren't looking. Yeah, I'll show you. That noise, if you can hear it in the background, is my cat's chomping away. It looks promising, but it's a bit weird. Like, it's fairly solid, except for these corners. These corners are just so soft and sticky. But it's already 11 o'clock at night, and I just got back. Like, I've been back for 10 minutes. We didn't go and see Power Rangers. We went and seen Life, which was, I'd say, awesome. It was pretty good. I mean, it was Jake Gyllenhaal and bloody whatever his name is, Deadpool. Yeah, we've decided Ryan Reynolds is just Deadpool and no other character ever anymore because he's just a cheeky brat. So, no, it wasn't a bad movie, I must admit. It held no surprises for us whatsoever. But I think that Bree and I may be a little jaded when it comes to movies, so... Ooh, guys, this looks promising. It's not even remotely purple, but look at that. Oh, I do like... Yeah, that illustrious is just... It's grey, which is fine, but yeah, it's definitely got sparkle. I wouldn't say it's silver per se. Probably could have used a little bit more of the mica, I mean, like in the mix, but I mean, it's not horrible. And there's not a lot of it. Like, maybe I should have used more mica and more batter. But oh, that's right. I know what happened. The trace was different, wasn't it? Yeah, this was thicker than this, which does always result in quite wispy drop swirls, which is not a bad thing, but it'd be interesting to see what this looks like in a couple of days. Just trying to get rid of the stupid spots that this thing makes. But all I'm doing is spreading silver mica everywhere. So, but yeah, it's not what I expected, but I mean, I don't hate it. So, you know, I'm not ready to throw it in the bin. And I'm tired, so I'm cranky enough to do stuff like that. Well, I'm not cranky. I could be that cranky because I'm tired. I should just stop talking. Oh god, it was so funny. You should have seen me before. I was trying to have a conversation with Brie about, I don't even know what. And I just couldn't form a sentence. It was so funny. And she said, and I told her that I filmed I had made a soap. And she said, "Did you film it?" And I said, "Yeah." And she said, "I'm definitely watching that." I said, "I don't know. I was apologising to everyone for how just mental I was. So off chops. I'm sorry." And yeah, I'm not so bad now. That's quite a nice swirl. I don't know if it's going to show up on camera or not. It's hard to, there we go. That's nice. I like that piece. I don't know why. I just do. Alright, that is... What is it? I don't even know. No, Vanilla Musk and Cedar. It's, I think it's probably more of the cedar than the vanilla or the musk. So... But it's nice. It's subtle. If I were to use it again, I would probably soap at maybe 5% because it's very subtle. Like, I've got to get right up in there to smell that, so it's definitely not, it's not one that would, you know, blow your nostrils out, that's for sure. Alrighty, well, I'm probably going to make another soap now because I can. I don't know, because I feel like making soap. So, yeah, alright, well, I'll see you for the next one. Bye.